A'ja Wilson continues to prove why she is one of the greatest players of her generation. Still not yet 30 years old, she has already built a resume that rivals basketball legends, with 4 league MVP awards, 3 WNBA championships, and 2 Finals MVP honors, along with multiple Defensive Player of the Year awards, Rookie of the Year, and countless All-Star selections. As she heads into her 9th season, Wilson shows no signs of slowing down and remains focused on adding even more to her growing legacy. While fans wait for the upcoming A2, Nike Basketball is keeping the momentum strong with fresh colorways of her current signature shoe. Releasing on January 1st, the Nike A1 arrives in a refined mix of Silt Red, Metallic Red Bronze, and Stone Mauve. The matte metallic swoosh adds a clean, elegant touch that contrasts nicely with A'ja's powerful and aggressive style of play. This colorway will be available at select Nike Basketball retailers for $135.